Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So we were discussing Python math functions. So let's continue that. Today we will discuss math module. So yesterday we have discussed Python has a built-in math module which extends the list of mathematical functions. To use that, we must import the math module. So let's see an example how we can import or use the math module function. So here we have an example. We will start the code by import math and then the variable x is equal to math dot square root 64 and then we will print x variable and output will be obtained. So in our output we will get 8 because 64 is the square root of 8. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.